you get a reading of the actual battery left in the case and the charging of the left and the right accessories, okay? So let's test it. Also, you can change the volume with your finger here in this small dial. So you can do it even when they are in your ear. So it's really easy. Let me try them, okay? Perfect. Okay, I am hearing myself through the accessories. They hear really, really clear. As you can see, they are not that large. They look nice. I can hear great. Okay, I hear a crisp sound. Of course, when I am talking, as this is the first time I'm using this kind of accessories, I hear myself like in a speaker with my own voice. So that's kind of funny. I suppose that people that really need these accessories will feel that very comfortable, and they will know that they are speaking in a right loud level. Sometimes people that can't hear, like my father, will speak louder because they think you don't hear them, because they don't hear themselves. So I'm going to test this with my father tomorrow. Let's see how it goes. Thank you.